What's up, my YouTube folks? Hey, look, I know this is another in-car session right here, but look, I know I've brought this to you guys before, but sometimes people just don't get it, so you gotta bring it multiple times. Alright, listen to me very carefully. I got a call on Sunday from one of my good partners out of South Carolina. Runs an excellent establishment, security company, excellent everything, man. He's doing his big things. Me and him were talking about law. If you know me, you know that I am a true stickler for law. If you don't know your law, really, I don't even want to be involved with you. Or if you think you know law but you're wrong, you know, you're on my bad side, because I don't like anybody to come to me without anything that they cannot prove. Don't just tell me something. If you can't flip a book open and show it to me that is a reliable source, don't freaking bring it to me. Alright? Same thing goes for you guys. You know, like I said, me and him talked. They had a shooting up there in South Carolina. One of the students I trained. I'm not going to claim him as a shooting student. I mean, I can't. You know, but I'll just tell you that he was a student that I have trained before. And one thing I train everybody on, and when we talk in classes, is about law and case law. Alright? When me and my buddy was going through the first half of the story, it was found that things seemed a little shaky under law. But then once the full information came out of the story, it was found that everything was righteous. Everything was a go. Listen, people, it is very, very, very imperative of you to study the law where it concerns your lifestyle. Alright? If your lifestyle is going shopping every day, you need to know everything about shopping law. Theft by shoplifting, transaction card fraud, you name it, that's what you need to know. Because if you're going to get accused of something, you need to know how to cover yourself in that area. Alright? Another thing, and I'm really reaching out to my security officers and my people that carry guns on an everyday basis. If you're going to apply that force or that tool onto somebody, you absolutely have to know the law and the case law behind those issues. If I had to break it down to you, law is like knowing a thing that you think you know as a child. Case law is the thing that your parents told you was the right thing. Alright? If you want to look at it that way. Law is what the legislators have written and said that this is the word. This is what you must go by. Case law is the big boys, the Supreme Courts, the appellate courts, coming back and slapping some hands and saying, no, this is the way it will be. Alright? So if you look at it that way, you understand that not only is law important, but case law is super important. Alright? And you have to know both where it comes to applying force and applying pressure. Alright? Applying your tools. So I just wanted to bring that really quick, man. It's an in-car session. People seem to like my in-car sessions, so I try to bring out good information on them. And, you know, just normally when I'm just riding in the car and I'm thinking, which is normally when I am thinking, is when I'm in the car by myself, just relaxing. So, you know, it's good to have somebody hopefully bringing you good information, which I hope I'm doing for you. Like I said, I've had people call me and message me and say that the information was good for them, so I'm proud of that. And like I said, if you guys ever need anything else or want to see anything or have some questions on anything, I will make a video out of it. Just ask. Alright? Post it on the comments or message me and ask about it. I'm headed to the range now to make a drills video for somebody who wanted to get some good indoor drills to going on. Now, I can tell you right now, that person's probably not going to like my drills, but if you see me as somebody that's doing the right thing and somebody that's a good shooter, you're going to have to do the things that I do in order for you to get to where you want to be. Alright? Because I didn't just make this stuff up myself. I do it because it works. Alright? It's stuff that people have taught me over the years and stuff that I have, twerked a little bit to make myself a little bit better. Alright, so the person probably not going to like how slow some of these drills run, but guess what? Shooting is not all about shooting fast. It's about first being accurate and then being fast. You can't ever be fast. You know, the saying goes, you're never fast enough to catch up. I mean, you can't miss fast enough to catch up. Alright, so anyhow, guys, remember that. Learn your law. Stick to your law. Know your law. Get in bed with that law and get to know it. Alright? Don't ever come out here any day on the street and not know something because, you know, just because. Alright? Don't ever be scratching your head. There's too many resources out here. Google, you know, Yahoo, you know, lawskills.com. I mean, you got so many resources available to you that there's no excuse why you should not know a thing where it references law. Alright? Hope you guys got something out of this. Get out there, do your research, stay abreast on the law. That's it. Y'all have a great one. You know I love you, and I'm out.